Hey guys, Nicole Sauce here from the Living Free in Tennessee podcast. I'm playing with a new toy. Whoa. Hey, I'm over here. I'm over here. It just does all this stuff. Okay, anyway, so I'm human and I believe, where is the camera? It's over there. Okay, I believe that it's very important to keep your house in order to empower you to be successful. And I've been dealing with some issues that those of you listen to my podcast, you know about, right? Yeah, you do. And let's see if this will... This is my kitchen right now. Look at that. Dirty dishes in the sink. Clean dishes not put away. I need to refill the soap. It's there. Undone project. I need to clean the honey bear. I've got coffee grounds to take to the garden. I've got dill to pack. More dirty dishes to go. Let me show you something here. The dishwasher isn't even full. Like, it'll take a minute. And now we're going on to dealing with my problem. This is Holler Stew. Right? So Holler Stew, dumped in a blender. You may be wondering, what's she going to do? No, she's not going to do that. Oh, yes, she is. Oh, yes. I'm making Holler Stew puree. You know why? I need a double root canal. I can't chew. So I just basically made baby food so I can eat something. And then I'm going to get over myself about being a lazy bum and get this stuff put away. But I just wanted to be real, guys. Sometimes I also don't keep up on my dishes, and here they are.